Okay, so good morning. With this video, I with this video I'll be sharing with you the introduction to regression analysis. So this is a topic for the introduction to regression analysis. So after discussing this topic, the students or the participants will be able to understand what simple linear regression analysis is and understand the difference between correlation and regression. And I show you how to do a simple linear regression using Jamovi. We will interpret the results of a simple linear regression using Jamovi. Okay, let's proceed. So what is simple linear regression? So a simple linear regression is a statistical method used to model the relationship between two numeric quantitative variables. One independent, which is the predictor, which is the x. The independent is the x or the predictor, and one dependent, the outcome, which is the y. So the goal is to find a straight line equation that best predicts y from x, commonly written as y equals to beta 0 plus beta 1 times times plus epsilon. Ano po? So this is the y. This is the y equals beta 0 plus beta 1 times plus epsilon. Okay, so the difference between correlation and regression. To give you some idea, maybe some of you are wondering the difference about the correlation and regression. First is the correlation measures the strength and direction. That's why we can identify, yes, there are relationship, but we do not know if this relationship is significant or not. Tama, di ba? Tama, di ba? We can identify if there is a positive relationship, negative relationship. However, we can also identify if this positive or negative relationship is significant or not significant. And then, sa regression will tell how much one variable changes when another variable changes and gives a prediction. So it's more on prediction. Kumbaga, kung paano nakakaapekto yung isang variable to another variable and how does this variable may affect this variable. And then, the correlation describe the degree of association, while regression predict or explain values. So as in correlation, is a correlation quickly summarize the relationship in a single number, while build regression build a model, the equation that can be used for forecasting or control. So with that, kaya po sa mga Scopus Index journals, mahalaga na magamit yung regression analysis. Regression analysis is the start of advanced statistical tools. That's why there is a need to understand regression. There is a need to use regression. Mahalaga po siya. Mama. Later on, I'll show with you the how to use regression using Jamovi. And then correlation, in simple, ano po, correlation, sabi nga po in short, correlation will answer how strongly and in what direction our X and Y are related. However, in regression, how does X and how does X affect Y? And how can I predict Y from X? Diba? So, masasagot natin kung paano naapektuhan ni X and si Y. And then we can also answer, how can I predict Y from X? Diba? Yun yung pinakang maganda dun sa regression. Okay. So, to give you some idea on how to interpret the simple linear regression. First, we have to look at the overall model. So, titingnan natin yung sabi nga po, yung Siyempre titingnan natin yung ano ba test, pero before that yung overall model fit muna. Titingnan natin yung R, yung R value, R squared, and then siyempre the F value, yung model. So this is the rule is if the p value is less than 0.05, the model is statistically significant. If the p-value is equal or greater than 0.05, the model is not significant. Another thing that we can use is this one. Go back here. We can use this one. To interpret the coefficient, we can interpret the coefficient, regression coefficient. The beta, the beta one, the beta one, or the slope. This is the most important part as it indicates direction positive or negative, and magnitude how much change in y per unit of x. So positive beta 1 equal to direct relationship, negative beta 1 equal to inverse relationship. So we can also check statistical significance of the coefficient. Look at the p-value of beta 1. If the p-value is If the p-value is less than 0.05, significant predictor. If the p-value is equal to or greater than 0.05, not significant predictor. So we can also interpret the intercept, the beta 0 represents the value of y when x is 0. So example, sabi nga po is yung beta 0 is 50. When patrol hours are 0, the predicted crime rate is 50. Pero sabi nga is this is impossible. Wala talagang nagpapatrol, di ba? So, and then we can also interpret the coefficient of determination, the R squared. Ano po? So shows how much variation in y explained by x. So example, r squared value is 0.60. We can present it into percentage. 60 of the variation in crime rate is explained by patrol hours. So if we look at here, kinapi ko lang po ito. Ano po, this is not mine here. This one, kinopya ko lang po ito. Yung 60% nandin po siya sa strong, ano po, yung kanya pong interpretation. So here, let's proceed with the presentation. Ano po? Okay, let me open my Jamobi. Open ko po yung aking Jamobi. Ano po? To demonstrate to you how to do simple linear regression using Jamovi. Okay. I have here a dummy data. Again, this is just a dummy data. Ano po? Okay. So, click this one. Open. Bakit that? Not that one. Browse. And then my dummy data is data for regression. So here, we will try to predict, we will try to use na itong yung patrol hours ba ay pwede siyang makaapekto sa crime incidents. Our dependent variable is the crime incidents and the independent variable is patrol hours. Mahalaga yun sa regression analysis. Kailangan natin ma-identify kung alin yung dependent at saka yung independent variables. Pero sa correlation, hindi natin ma-identify eh. Diba? Okay, here, let's click Analyze and then Regression, click Linear Regression. So we will use a crime incident, sa dependent, and then we will use patrol hours sa covariates. As you can see, model fit measures will be computed here, linear regression, and then the model coefficient is here. So let's click this, the model fit, F-test, ano po, the F-test, and then the model coefficient, which is the ANOVA, and then the confidence interval. Yan. Okay na yan. So, kahit ano, sabi nga po with this, even though hindi pa po natin chine-check yung assumption check, we are considering, sabi nga po, if the data is interval or ratio, ano po, if the data is na-check po natin yung kanyang distribution, normality, ano po, so sabihin natin ay yung data po ay normally distributed. So, interval and ratio so that we can use linear regression. Ano po? So as you can see with the overall model, we can identify the regression model is significantly is statistically significant because of the p-value. We can also identify here the R value na 0.984, meaning to say it's indicate a very strong relationship between patrol hours and crime incidents. And then when we look at the R squared value, the R squared value will tell us the model explains 96.9%. Ano po, it will be presented in a percentage, 96.9%. And then the 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 F value, which is open close 1 dash 28 equal to 879 with a p-value of 0.001, which is it indicates that the model is highly significant. We can say that pwede nating sabihin na pwede nating sabihin na yung result indicate that the patrol hours significantly predict crime incident, with the model explaining a substantial proportion na 96.9, ano po, with R squared value, 96.9 of the variation in crime occurrences. Ano po. Pero when we look at the ANOVA test, Omnibus ANOVA, we can we can look at it yung F value and then the P value. The F value will tell us the regression model is significant. Ano po? Doon dito pa lamang po lumalabas na yung regression model po is significant. So the overall regression model provides a significantly better fit than a model with no predictors. So meaning to say, it only confirms that patrol hours contribute meaningfully to prevent crime incidents. Ano po, yun po yung ibig sabihin lamang. And then we also observe here the regression coefficient. This is the model coefficient or the regression coefficient. The intercept, yung bibigyan po natin ng emphasis, and then at the same time, the patrol hours. As we look at the intercept, ano po, as we look at the intercept, here we have a beta zero is equal to 49.149, and with a p-value of less than 0.05, meaning to say this is significant. So, sabihin natin na yung when patrol hours, kapag yung patrol hours is 0, the predicted number of crime incidents is approximately 49.15. Ano po? Yun po yung predicted 49, not 49.15, lumalayo po ako. 49.149. Ano po, yun po yung pinakang predicted. Kaya po in percentage, sabihin natin po, 49.15 ira-round up po natin yung 14. Ano po, 149 magiging 49.149 yung predicted po o yung approximately na puwedeng pagtaas ng crime kung wala pong patrol hours. Kung patrol hours po is 0. Pero parang napaka-imposible naman na walang patrol hours, 'di po ba? Ano po? So, when we look at the patrol hours, yung beta 1, ano po, when we look at the beta 1 here, equal to negative 0.656. And then, mahalaga pong makita natin yung 95% confidence interval with lower and lower is negative 0.71 and upper negative 0.611 and a p-value of uh, less than 0.05, which is 0.001, highly significant po ito. Ano po? Kaya po masasabi natin na yung patrol hours significantly and negatively predict crime incidents. Specifically, for every additional hour of patrol, masasabi natin na yung crime incidents ay magdi-decrease by approximately 0.656 cases. Yun po yun. So, mas madami yung patrol hours, mas magde-decrease yung crime incidents. So, the last part po is na kailangan natin maipakita po ay yung tinatawag na yung model regression equation po natin. Yung y equals to 49.149 kung ira-round up natin to 49.15 ano po minus 0.656x ano po ito po yung ating pinaka magiging equation, meaning to say the model predicts that increasing patrol hours lead to a reduction in crime incidents. So with each additional hour associated with patrol hours, with decrease of about 0.656 incidents. Yun po yung lumalabas sa atin linear regression, sa ating pong regression analysis. Ano po? I hope you learn on how to compute and interpret the simple linear regression. Thank you so much po.